Welcome to Doodle with Rachel. I'm Rachel. Grab a sketchbook and let's doodle. We're starting with a grid of dots. You can see how easy it is to simply trace the dotted grid and form the rectangles and squares. Since I love a rainbow, I chose 3 shades of pink, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I'm coloring using the lightest shade, and the darker ones are going to be to add the shadows later. Watch this in real time and I'll explain what I'm doing in detail by the next one. So here I'm going in with my darkest shade of yellow to create the shadow. Then I'm going to take the medium shade and go over the darkest shade, blending it out a bit. Then I take the lightest shade of yellow, which is the same marker that I first colored with, and I'm going to blend it out completely and fill in the rest. I'm not allowing the alcohol markers to dry in middle. If you do that, they will layer, they will not blend. This might take a few times to get it right, but have fun practicing. The effect is really pretty. Adding a shadow effect to the circles now, I'm using a pencil and I'm lightly tracing the line on the side and the bottom, and then I'm using a blending stump to blend it out. This is the last shadow effect that we're going to be doing on this doodle, and this is a fun way to add even more dimension. I'm using a green marker to add this shadow. Here's the result. I hope you give this a try. Enjoy!